Pressure cooking uses steam to raise the boiling point of water above 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degrees Fahrenheit. These high temperatures allow you to cook food way faster than normal. So now we're gonna see, we're doing the water pressure test because this is brand new, Mommy's brand new toy to cook with. When pressure cooking, the Instant Pot goes through 3 stages. So right now, Bubby, we're in stage 1. What does that say? What does that word say? O-N.
O-N.
What does that say?
O-N.
On. On. So what's happening is, while the multi-cooker preheats, it vaporizes the liquid. So the liquid, remember Mommy put it in, she put about 3 cups of water. How many ounces are in a cup?
8.
8 ounces. So she put about 24 ounces of water in there. And what it did, you saw it, when it vaporizes, it becomes into steam, right? So it's about to come into steam. And once enough steam has built up, the float valve, which is up there, so we're gonna watch this little valve go up and down and see what happens with it. If it pops up and locks the lid in place, it's not gonna fly, hopefully. Then, when that happens, then we go into the cooking. So that valve up there, it's going to bob up and down from all the steam, then pops up and stays flush with the lid. So staying flush with the lid means it like sinks in and it's like at the lid's level. And then what's gonna happen here is the countdown. And then the final thing that happens is releasing pressure. So if we keep it warm, which is the keep warm button, but we turn the keep warm button off, so then the multi-cooker goes back to standby and display shows end. So the last stage, it's gonna go from on to end, E-N-D, and then we'll be able to see. So now we just wait and see. What's the water doing? It's vaporizing into steam. Ooh, what number are we on? Okay, so Aiden, you point and I'll tell people how much of each we have. What are you going to point to first? How many cups of broccoli? Do you remember how many cups of broccoli we used?
4.
4. Now what's the next ingredient you want to tell people about?
Cheese.
How many cups of cheese did we use?
4.
No, 2 cups of cheese.
2.
And then what's the next one you want to point to?
This one.
4 cups of broth.
4 cups of broth.
Yeah.
And what? This one.
2 cups of cream, heavy cream. What else? We have 2 more ingredients.
One.
Well, those are some spices we're using, salt and spice. But what about the 2 left on the tray?
This one.
That is 2 tablespoons of butter and
this one.
1/2 cup of cream cheese. And baby, what kind of cup do we use when we're measuring liquid? Do you remember?
This one.
This one.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then when we're measuring dry stuff that's not liquid, this kind of cup. Right?
That's not a cup, that's a pan.
Oh.